Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can get plaster bandage on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, I have joined Dress to Impress and I'm going to show you how we can get a plaster bandage for our model or avatar. First thing first, you need to go to this section guys. Okay, and then here you can find the plaster bandage for your model. This one. You can click on this plaster bandage. Wait, I'm going to put it on my face. Okay, and then we can change the toggle if we want. Just go to the toggle and then you can put the plaster bandage on your nose or your knee or your arm. It's up to you. You can customize it according to your needs. And for example, I'm just going to put it on my left knee as well. Okay, and then for example, right knee. Okay, left knee and right knee. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get plaster bandage on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.